Welcome. This course explores real-world applications of AI agents across industries and production systems. The shift is from static chatbots to autonomous agents that execute multi-step tasks end-to-end. The core value proposition is speed, scale, and accuracy through continuous runtime, parallel workers, and verification. Major deployments span customer support, software, finance, healthcare, and logistics. Workflows range from human copilots at level 1 to full autonomous delegation with human override at level 4. Enterprises track ROI through faster resolution times and much higher throughput on repetitive workflows. Production agents sit behind compliance boundaries such as HIPAA, GDPR, and SOC 2. Agents connect to CRM, ERP, databases, and code platforms, so work happens inside real enterprise systems. Section 1 takeaways: agents move beyond Q&A, integrate with enterprise systems, and deliver major gains in speed and scale. Pause here. Value is task completion, and integration unlocks ROI. Now the quick check. Quick check after Section 1. What is the main evolution of AI agents compared to traditional chatbots? Choose A, B, C, or D. Take 1 minute to think, then choose A, B, C, or D. The correct answer is not shown. Section 2 covers autonomous customer service agents that resolve tickets with tools and approval guardrails. A typical request is, "I need to return my damaged order and get a refund." The agent verifies identity and parses intents such as return item and issue refund. It then checks policy, for example, confirming the item was purchased within the 30-day return window. Next, the agent calls a shipping API to generate a prepaid return label. If the refund exceeds a safety threshold, the agent pauses and routes approval to a human manager. After approval, the agent updates the ticket, sends confirmation, and logs the event in the CRM. Sentiment monitoring can escalate to a human immediately when frustration rises. Section 2 takeaways: multi-step resolution, payment and shipping tools, and human approval guardrails. Pause here. Service agents complete workflows and thresholds keep risk controlled. Now the quick check. Pause here. Service agents complete workflows and thresholds keep risk controlled. Now the quick check. Quick check after Section 2. When should a human-in-the-loop guardrail be triggered? Choose A, B, C, or D. Take 1 minute to think, then choose A, B, C, or D. The correct answer is not shown. Section 3 covers software engineering and DevOps agents that patch code and manage pipelines. A coding agent starts by ingesting a GitHub issue, such as a null pointer in payment handler code. It explores the code base, searches the file tree, and identifies the offending function.
Patches are written and applied inside a secure sandbox, so production stays untouched.
The agent runs unit tests, catches failures, and refines the fix using a reflection loop. When tests pass, the agent opens a pull request with a clear description and tags a reviewer. DevOps agents also monitor deployment logs, detect crashes, and can trigger automatic rollbacks. The productivity gain is that developers spend less time hunting routine bugs and more time on architecture. Section 3 takeaways: navigate and patch code, validate in sandboxes, and manage pipelines and pull requests. Pause here. Sandboxes protect production, and tests prove the patch. Now the quick check. Quick check after Section 3. How do software engineering agents safely test code fixes? Choose A, B, C, or D. Take 1 minute to think, then choose A, B, C, or D. The correct answer is not shown. Section 4 covers financial and risk management agents for analysis, fraud, and compliance.
Agents can synthesize SEC filings, market sentiment, and earnings calls into one analysis.
They parse unstructured text, PDF tables, and API streams into structured financial models. Fraud agents monitor transaction logs at high speed and flag anomalous transfer patterns.
Underwriting agents evaluate loan risk using bank records, credit bureaus, and tax documents.
Compliance agents verify trading actions against regulatory rulebooks, such as SEC and FINRA rules. They also generate immutable time-stamped audit trails that explain decisions to regulators. For calculations, financial agents use deterministic code tools instead of free-form LLM arithmetic. Section 4 takeaways: synthesize financial data, detect fraud and underwrite risk, and keep deterministic audit logs. Pause here. Finance needs verifiable math, and audit trails are mandatory. Now the quick check. Quick check after Section 4. Why should financial agents use deterministic code tools for calculations? Choose A, B, C, or D. Take 1 minute to think, then choose A, B, C, or D. The correct answer is not shown. Section 5 covers healthcare and life sciences agents with strict privacy and physician control. Agents can query electronic health records to match eligible patients with clinical trial criteria. Literature agents scan PubMed-style databases and answer specialized queries with citations. Coding agents convert clinical notes into accurate ICD-10 billing codes. In research, agents propose molecular structures, predict binding affinity, and filter candidates. Before cloud model calls, PII redactors strip personally identifiable information to support HIPAA compliance. Remote monitoring agents evaluate wearable data and alert clinicians when vitals cross critical thresholds. Healthcare agents act strictly as advisors. Physicians retain sign-off and clinical authority.
Section 5 Takeaways: Accelerate research, automate coding and matching, and enforce privacy with physician control.
Pause here. Privacy comes before model calls, and doctors remain accountable. Now the quick check. Quick check after Section 5. What privacy safeguard is crucial before sending patient records to cloud agents? Choose A, B, C, or D. Take 1 minute to think, then choose A, B, C, or D. The correct answer is not shown. Section 6 covers e-commerce and supply chain agents that forecast, purchase, and reroute logistics.
Forecasting agents combine weather, economic trends, and inventory to predict stock needs.
When inventory runs low, agents can issue automated purchase orders to suppliers. Routing agents monitor congestion and weather, then automatically reroute freight shipments. Shopping concierge agents configure custom products based on user style constraints. Procurement agents can negotiate supplier terms within strict budget guardrails. When a factory shuts down unexpectedly, agents find alternative suppliers and restore flow. In a connected mesh, customer orders trigger seamless autonomous logistics actions across the chain. Section 6 Takeaways: Forecast and purchase inventory, reroute around disruptions, and automate shopping and procurement. Pause here. Logistics needs live adaptation from forecast to delivery. Now the final section check. Quick check after Section 6. How do autonomous supply chain agents mitigate shipping disruptions? Choose A, B, C, or D. Take 1 minute to think, then choose A, B, C, or D. The correct answer is not shown. You completed a quick check after every section. You can now map agent patterns to real industry workflows and constraints. Congratulations! You completed real-world applications of AI agents. Thanks for watching.